To work. Travailler. Travailler. In previous lessons, we learned how to say I work. Je travaille. You work. Tu travailles. And now we're going to learn how to say he works. He works. Before I show you the form, remember the subject pronoun he is il. And for regular ER verbs, the E ending always goes with il when you're conjugating verbs in the present tense. So you take your infinitive travailler, you remove the ER, and you're left with the root. So we have travail, and we have to add this ending. So il travaille plus the ending E, and the form is il travaille, which means he works. He works, il travaille. He works, il travaille. He works, il travaille. Il travaille. Here, ici. Here, ici. If you want to make the statement he works here, put it all together. Il travaille ici. Il travaille ici. Il travaille ici. He works here. Il travaille ici. Okay, let's review what you just learned. Remember the infinitive to work. Travailler. He works. Il travaille. Here. Ici. Today. Aujourd'hui. Tomorrow. Demain. A lot. Beaucoup. Too much. Trop. If you want to say he works here, il travaille ici. He works today. Il travaille aujourd'hui. He works tomorrow. Il travaille demain. He works a lot. Il travaille beaucoup. And he works too much. Il travaille trop. All right. To continue learning, please click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.